Here in the terminal series bus because my mom is visiting me yesterday, and then my dad is birthday today, so I decided to visit my province home. So I'm here in the series bus terminal.
Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hey guys, good morning. I'm here in the province. It's a lot of sugar cane. Look the background, guys. Sugar cane. Yeah, that's the reason I visit here one day, because it's my birthday, my dad. So I really visit here. Yeah, but only the one day to stay there, because I will back. Don't have any signal here, so just back now. Province, it's almost a lot is sugar cane. I just bring the food. It's a little bit raining. Yeah, it is raining and windy here. Yeah, the sky, it's dark. It's raining little bit. Yeah, I'm not wearing the shoes. I'm wearing the slippers only. Yeah, but it's not the same before. Before is when it's raining, very hard raining. That's so it's not good, the road. So now, yeah, it's transparent, the road, because before is the afters there. Yeah, that's the road here. windy, little bit windy. That soil is very sticky because yes, look, yeah, that's the road here. Yeah, that's why I'm not bring my motorcycle, because when I bring here, oh my gosh, that's so very frustrating. Yeah, I'm only one. I'm alone here to walking. Bye bye guys, see you more videos.